It's the Cheetah! Oh my God! Although Millie didn't win, it is crazy to me that a Cheetah can hold its own against the same car used in the Formula E World Championship. But when the first car was made more than a century ago, over 100,000 cheetahs were alive in the wild. But today, with less than 8,000 remaining, it's our job to protect these extraordinary creatures from extinction so that they can keep inspiring us all to push beyond our limits. Millie is like the sweetest animal I've ever met.